Stories will always need to be told. People will always need to be remembered. And books will always be our most authentic, enduring expression for capturing these moments. Why risk losing these important memories by binding them with materials that are not proven to be sustainable? The foundation of every book structure is its cover. RockTenn in Aurora, Illinois, and LBS in Des Moines, Iowa, have collaborated to develop PrimeOne, the most durable, warp-resistant bookboard available. Our bookboard is made specifically to meet the demands of photo book and bind-on-demand markets. The process of making PrimeOne a consistent, warp-resistant board begins with selecting 100% recycled paper from defined sources. Bales of consistently colored recycled paper are introduced in the hydropulper, which breaks down the paper fibers into a pulp. No chemicals are used in this process, only water and heat. The pulp is then pumped through 2 sets of screens. The waste is taken to the landfill, and our processed water is reused. The prepared fiber is mixed with water and pumped 3 stories up into the Fourdriniere head box via a precision dilution control mechanism known as the octopus. The fibers are laid onto the wire of the paper machine, and the water passes through to remove as much of the moisture as possible. The Fourdriniere technology lays down the individual fiber in an interlocking fashion. The result is a unique solid bookboard with excellent stability in both directions. This feature gives the board stability and makes it warp resistant. After the desired thickness of the fibers have been laid down on the initial wire cylinder, a knife cuts the sheet. The sheet then moves to a hydraulic press where much of the excess water is removed. The pressed sheet is passed through large drying rollers. The sheets then pass through sets of calendaring rollers to densify the board and press it to its final caliper. For each PrimeOne order, the boards are accurately cut and the skids carefully protected. PrimeOne is made of 100% recycled fibers and typically has a pH level of 7 or higher. Produced right here in the USA, PrimeOne's compressed construction contributes to it not only lying perfectly flat, but defying delamination. PrimeOne provides a solid foundation for any book or paperboard product. It is currently stocked in the thicknesses of 88, 98, and 120 point, and is available in full sheets or cut-to-size pieces. Contact LBS today for more information and for PrimeOne samples.